Hello everyone. This session for 5th grade students, order of operation. So let's get started. On your screen you can see introduction. Dear, today we are going to review order of operations with a 5-question quiz. Take out a blank piece of paper, number it 1 to 5 with workspace for each question. Don't forget to show your work and do your best. You have got this. First question on your screen. 2 into in bracket 8 plus 7. So we will use here Bodmer's rule. You know 8 plus 7, 15 and 15 to 30. In the further we will show the answer for this question. The second question on your screen. 14 minus 3 into 3. You must be use the Bodmer's rule. The third question on your screen. 68 minus in bracket 2 into 6 bracket close equal to what? The fourth question on your screen. 5 plus 2 into 7 equal to what? And the fifth question on your screen. In bracket 8 into 8 bracket close by 2 means divide 2 equal to what? Right? So let's review the answers. The first answer of first question, answer is 30. Question 2, answer is 5. Question 3, answer is 56. Question 4, answer is 19. And question 5, answer is 32. So it is your great work, and I hope that the such type of question you are able to solve in very easy way. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.